Vice Ganda presents this donation to love yourself. Picture, picture! We have a moment for this photo opportunity, for this momentous event. Thank you very much, congratulations, and thank you for the life-changing work that Love Yourself continues to do the poor community. Bati ka naman, Doc Fit.
Hello, White Party Manila! Maraming salamat po, and always remember to stay safe, get yourself tested, visit any of our Love Yourself centers all over the Philippines. 75 na po sila. Sa mga tao pong takot, meron na rin po kaming virtual clinic. Lahat po ng services natin libre. Mabuhay ang mga bakla! Let's claim the word bakla and tomboy. Dati derogatory sila, ngayon, it's empowering. Pag bakla ka, magaling ka, matalino, and you deserve everything.
Maraming salamat mga bakla! Thank you so much sa lahat ng tulong ninyo. Thank you, Doc Vin, and our beloved Mime. Maraming salamat para sa presence mo. Thank you for helping us present our donation. Grabe! 1 milyong piso! Palakpakan naman natin ang White Party Manila! And tonight we also recognize the people who have become part of our story and true icons to the LGBTQIA+ community. We do this by awarding them the White Party Manila Gay Icon of the Year. Our gay icons aren't chosen because of just one moment. They're chosen because of the support they show and the connection they were able to create generation after generation. Previously, ang mga gay icons po natin ay sina Asia's Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez. Ang mahal po nating si Ate Uge, Eugene Domingo. Ang marimar nating buong sangkabaklaan, Miss Marian Rivera. At hindi mawawala ang ating Diyosa, Ann Curtis. And for this year's White Party Manila Gay Icons, siguradong tayong nagawa nilang lahat yan. They are literally woven into the Filipino pop culture, from barangay fiestas to comedy bars and to different performances. Talaga namang tumatak sila sa bawat Pinoy. And for so many Filipinos, especially within the LGBTQIA+ community, they've always represented joy, confidence, and unapologetic fun. And so, ladies and gentlemen, mga mahal, it is my honor to present the White Party Manila 2026 Gay Icon of the Year, literal na mapapa get out!